A lineup of hybrid SUVs that are rewriting efficiency standards while delivering the practicality and performance you actually need is coming. If you've been watching fuel prices climb and feeling trapped between sky-high pump costs and vehicles that can't handle your daily needs, these hybrids are solving that exact problem. Where most efficient vehicles force you to compromise on space, power, or capability, this new generation proves you can achieve jaw-dropping gas mileage without giving up anything that matters. Let's start the countdown. Number 6. Honda CR-V Hybrid. Finding the sweet spot between fuel economy and everyday usability has always been tricky in the hybrid SUV world. Too often, you're forced to choose between impressive MPG numbers and actual real-world performance. The CR-V Hybrid refuses to make you pick. The powertrain combines a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine with dual electric motors, creating a system that puts out 204 horsepower while returning approximately 40 miles per gallon city and 35 miles per gallon highway. Those aren't just theoretical numbers either. Owners consistently report achieving these figures in actual driving conditions, which matters far more than inflated EPA estimates. Think about those moments when you need to merge onto a busy highway with barely any gap in traffic. Most hybrids leave you holding your breath, hoping the powertrain responds before you run out of road. The CR-V eliminates that anxiety entirely. The electric motors provide instant torque at low speeds, delivering the kind of immediate response that makes merging onto highways or climbing steep grades feel effortless rather than nerve-wracking. Honda's engineers spent considerable effort managing the transition between electric and gasoline power. Most hybrids announce every powertrain change with vibrations and sounds. The CR-V keeps these transitions nearly imperceptible, maintaining the composed, quiet character you'd expect from a premium SUV. The interior materials feel durable enough to handle years of family use without showing premature wear, while the chassis exhibits the kind of solid, controlled behavior that makes long highway drives less exhausting. For buyers who need an SUV that performs well across every daily scenario, this Honda delivers exactly that versatility. But balanced performance means nothing if you can't handle challenging conditions when they arrive, which is exactly where our next hybrid separates itself from the pack. Number 5. Subaru Forester Hybrid. Subaru loyalists have been requesting a hybrid Forester for years, watching rivals add electrified powertrains while their favorite brand held back. That wait is finally ending, and while the resulting fuel economy won't set records, this hybrid brings something most efficient SUVs completely ignore: genuine all-weather, all-terrain capability. Subaru's system pairs a boxer engine with an electric motor, producing nearly 200 horsepower and achieving approximately 35 miles per gallon combined. Those figures trail most competitors in pure efficiency, but context matters enormously here. The Forester Hybrid maintains Subaru's legendary symmetrical all-wheel drive system and nearly 9 inches of ground clearance. Picture yourself driving through a November snowstorm, the kind where visibility drops to nothing and roads disappear under several inches of fresh powder. Most hybrid SUVs with their compromised all-wheel drive systems turn these conditions into white-knuckle experiences where you're constantly fighting for traction. Subaru engineered the Forester Hybrid specifically to eliminate that fear. The mechanical all-wheel drive system that made the brand's reputation remains fully functional, integrated with the hybrid components rather than compromised by them. Compared to the standard Forester's roughly 29 miles per gallon combined, the hybrid's 35 miles per gallon represents a meaningful improvement that adds up over thousands of miles. For drivers in regions with harsh winters, or those who actually use their SUVs for outdoor recreation, sacrificing 5 miles per gallon compared to a more efficient competitor makes perfect sense when you gain capability that lets you drive confidently year-round. All that capability is valuable, but what if you want maximum efficiency without compromise? That brings us to a hybrid that prioritizes MPG above everything else. Number 4. Kia Niro Hybrid. Efficiency often comes packaged in awkward, polarizing designs that announce "I'm a hybrid" from 3 blocks away. The Niro takes a different path, wrapping excellent fuel economy and conventional SUV styling that won't make you feel self-conscious in parking lots. Kia's latest iteration achieves approximately 53 miles per gallon city and 45 miles per gallon highway, numbers that stand among the best in the entire hybrid SUV category. That's not just good for a small SUV, it's exceptional by any standard, approaching the efficiency of much smaller smaller hatchbacks while maintaining practical cargo capacity and seating for 5 adults. Consider those weekends when you need to haul camping gear, sports equipment, or supplies from the hardware store. Many efficient hybrids force you into awkward compromises, with cargo areas so small you're playing Tetris just to fit basic items. The Niro sidesteps this frustration completely. The cargo area provides over 22 cubic feet behind the second row and expands to more than 53 cubic feet with seats folded, dimensions that rival many larger SUVs. The Niro proves small can be efficient, but some buyers need more space without sacrificing those impressive MPG numbers, which is where our next contender delivers unexpected value. Number 3. Kia Sportage Hybrid. Sometimes the best value in any category comes from a vehicle that executes the fundamentals extremely well. The Sportage Hybrid represents exactly this approach: strong efficiency, upscale interior quality, and competitive pricing that make premium features accessible. Kia's powertrain delivers approximately 42 miles per gallon combined, while providing 227 horsepower for situations requiring more aggressive acceleration. That power figure matters more than it might seem, because it eliminates the compromised, underpowered feel that makes many efficient hybrids frustrating to drive in real-world conditions. Kia has been steadily elevating interior design and materials across its lineup, and the Sportage Hybrid benefits from this evolution with soft-touch surfaces, attractive stitching, and layout decisions that feel premium rather than budget-focused. The materials are holding up well in long-term ownership, maintaining their appearance rather than showing premature wear. You're getting hybrid fuel economy that saves real money over time, power adequate for any normal driving situation, and interior quality that rivals more expensive SUVs. For buyers who want efficiency without feeling like they're driving an economy car, the Sportage Hybrid delivers surprisingly premium character at a genuinely fair price. Strong value is impressive, but what happens when you combine efficiency with proven long-term reliability that takes away all the usual hybrid anxiety? Number 2. Mazda CX-50 Hybrid. This isn't Mazda's own hybrid system. It's Toyota's proven technology, the same powertrain that's been validating itself in hundreds of thousands of RAV4s over multiple years. That distinction matters enormously for anyone worried about long-term reliability. The collaboration gives Mazda access to a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, paired with electric motors that generate 219 horsepower combined, while achieving approximately 38 miles per gallon combined. Those efficiency figures represent a substantial improvement over the standard CX-50's roughly 27 miles per gallon, a difference that translates to hundreds of dollars in annual fuel savings. The CX-50's handling dynamics maintain the engaging, responsive character that distinguishes Mazda products from competitors that prioritize softness over driver involvement. The hybrid system doesn't compromise these characteristics. You're getting Toyota's reliability combined with Mazda's driving dynamics, strengths from both brands unified in one vehicle. The CX-50 Hybrid proves you can have reliability and driving enjoyment together, but what if you want to take that same proven technology and wrap it in genuine luxury that elevates the entire experience? Number 1. Lexus NX 350h. Taking Toyota's hybrid system and wrapping it in genuine luxury elevates the entire experience to a level that most efficient SUVs never approach. The NX 350h essentially gives you RAV4 hybrid reliability and efficiency packaged in a vehicle that feels premium in every measurable way. The powertrain remains fundamentally similar to what Toyota uses, a 2.5-liter four-cylinder with electric motors producing 239 horsepower and achieving approximately 39 miles per gallon combined. Those efficiency figures rival or exceed most compact hybrid SUVs, but the NX surrounds that proven technology with materials, craftsmanship, and refinement that justify its luxury badge. Leather surfaces, real metal accents, and meticulous assembly quality create an environment that feels substantially more expensive. Owners consistently report exceptionally low maintenance costs and minimal unscheduled repairs, even as the vehicles accumulate high mileage. This combination of efficiency and dependability means the NX 350h costs less to own long-term than many cheaper competitors. Think about those endless commutes through stop-and-go traffic, or those marathon road trips that leave you exhausted. The NX 350h transforms these experiences through through aggressive noise isolation and suspension tuning focused entirely on comfort. The cabin remains serene even at highway speeds. The hybrid system contributes to this calm character with seamless transitions between power sources and smooth, predictable behavior that never jolts you or breaks the relaxed atmosphere. Lexus Safety System Plus includes features like automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and adaptive cruise control without requiring expensive option packages. The implementation is conservative rather than intrusive. For buyers who want the proven efficiency of Toyota's hybrid technology but refuse to sacrifice luxury, build quality, or long-term reliability, the NX 350h represents the pinnacle of what's currently available. The hybrid SUV landscape offers something for everyone, from the CR-V's balanced approach and Forester's all-weather capability to the Niro's maximum efficiency and Sportage's exceptional value, rounded out by the CX-50's proven reliability and the NX 350h luxury refinement. Each delivers jaw-dropping fuel economy without the compromises that made earlier hybrids feel like sacrifices. But exceptional fuel economy isn't always enough reason for a purchase, so make sure to check out our video about the best and worst hybrid SUVs to buy. While many hybrid SUVs offer excellent efficiency, they disappoint in many other aspects that equally affect the ownership experience.